know if you caught that. That's what we got. Yeah, no idea what sound is. I got 4 wheels back here. I've chainsaws before. You know, like that. Totally here we go. And see if we can not like one specific direction. And one over down this way. And the other one over down this way. Which is, let's say, east and west. So keep this rolling this side here. And that direction.